Good afternoon, Dr. Maloney. This is myself, Shauna Trevino, and this is my daughter, Lauren Trevino. She is going to be the interviewer. I am going to be the interviewee. I am going for the ES3 position clerk with the Texas Health and Human Services Department. That is the eligibility services specialist position, but since that is a lot to say, they even have it listed as the ES3 position, and she will be listing it as well as the ES3. And we are about to start. We will be facing each other, so we can communicate eye to eye. So if you don't see us looking at each other or looking at the camera, you will know why. Thank you.
Good morning. I am the HR of Texas Health and Human Services Department. I understand that you're coming in for the ES3 clerk position we have opened.
That's correct.
What made you apply for this position?
I feel that helping everyone around us here in Texas is important, and I feel that my skills that I've had as a receptionist, as a customer service agent, and as a retention agent would make me a good fit for this position.
What are your best qualities for this position?
I am cheerful, I am poised, I am professional, and I am very well versed at handling a heavy amount of calls and a large amount of volume, whether it be over the phone or in regular settings with people, and a large amount of paper trailed work and email. So I feel I would be very well qualified for this position.
Our office can get quite busy, and sometimes the clientele can seem burdensome. Are you capable of working in that type of environment?
I am very well capable of working that environment. From my job at Surtech, when we would handle a lot of cases of large calls and a heavy volume coming in from across the nation, to my job at H&R Block as a receptionist, where we had a lot of military personnel coming in to have their taxes filed and a lot of people waiting and becoming upset, and I would keep the people calm and keep them from getting irate. I'm used to that type of personnel in that large volume, even to people with not a lot of waiting time, but still having people who are irate. I'm used to keeping them calm, staying professional, keeping my demeanor cheerful. I am used to that type of environment, and I'm very well versed in it, and I feel I'd be good at this here. So this is not a new environment to me at all.
Okay. What is your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness, unfortunately, as you may have noticed, is that I tend to ramble on. I'm working on it, but that would be my greatest weakness, is that I ramble.
Okay. Why do you want to work here versus any other organization which may have the same position?
Other organizations, especially private organizations, they can get different facilities or different organizations to help them, and there are privatized insurers to get different services so they can feel, I don't know, more well versed or a different class. But our other services and people in Texas may feel underserved, and I'd like to help and just make people who feel underserved in Texas feel that they are wanted, they are needed, and they are appreciated. And that is why I'd like to work for the Texas Department here of Health and Human Services as an ES3 clerk.
Well, as you know, as the HR of Texas Health and Human Services, I will be seeking employees who have best fulfill this position need. I will let you know in about a 2-week time frame if you have or have not met our qualifications.
Okay, and if I may ask one more question?
Yes?
What do you define as the characteristics of the best qualities in an employee for the Texas Department of Health and Human Services?
A dependable employee is ready to take on any task given to them.
All right, wonderful. I look forward to hearing from you soon then. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Good day, Dr. Maloney.